I started with no idea what I was doing, but I pressed record anyway.
Hey friends, it's Olga. As you know, I'm a lifestyle content creator on fashion, beauty, and travel. For today's video, I'm going to share tips on how to start content creation. Full honesty, when I first started, I had so many doubts. I kept thinking, what if no one even sees this? Or what if someone does see it and cringes or laughs at me? I was overthinking everything and second guessing every little post. But here's the thing, content creation isn't about being perfect, it's about finding your voice, having fun, and connecting with people along the way. Alright, let's start with the most important one. Tip number 1. Just start. Seriously, just start. Don't wait for the perfect camera, perfect outfit, lighting, or even idea. You'll never feel 100% ready, and that's okay. When I first started, I was so scared of being judged. I record and delete over and over again. But here's the truth. You won't know what works for you until you try. Maybe you'll cringe at your first videos or even laugh at yourself. But that's part of the process. So, just start. Even if it's messy, even if there's no one watching it. Because that's where growth begins. And let's go to tip number 2. Find your style and passion. What excites you? What do you love to create? For me, as you know, I'm a lifestyle content creator, so it's fashion, beauty, and travel. But it took me a while to figure it out. I actually started with travel photos. I didn't even think that I was a content creator back then. I just love capturing places and moments. That's the reason why I bought my first Sony camera. Then, when the pandemic happened and we couldn't go out, I needed to find an outlet to distress. And my online friends encouraged me to create content. That's when I began creating beauty content, filming skincare videos, product reviews, and some self-care at home. Eventually, I found myself branching out into fashion. And when things slowly went back to normal, I returned to what I really love. Travel. It's funny how things come full circle. I started with travel and then somehow I found my way back to it. And lastly, keep learning and connecting. There's always something new to try. New trends, new gears, new ways to tell your story. But more than that, connect with people. The comments, the friendships, the shared passion. That's what makes it more meaningful. Because content creation isn't just about posting, it's about sharing pieces of who you are. So, if you ever wanted to start, this is your sign. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Because one day, you'll look back and realize what once scared you became something you love. And that's all my tips for you guys. See you next time. Bye!